guys, welcome back to my channel. I know I sound weird, it's because I'm sick. I'm actually getting over a cold. But yeah, so today I'm actually going to go over my IPSY from September and October. So the month of September, I really didn't get a chance to film anything. It's been a very busy summer, and then it went into my birthday in September, so I kind of had so much going on. So I took that month off just to take care of other things and not be so busy and crazy. So that's why I didn't get to do my September IPSY in September. So I figured I'll do it along with my October. But of course I got sick, and that kind of prevented me from filming anything. I figured doesn't matter, I'm just gonna put out a video anyways because there were some things I wanted to show you guys and share with you guys. So this look right here, I do have a video on it. I don't know if it's out yet. If it is, I will leave a link to it up here, but if not, wait for it. It is coming soon. I did do an eyeshadow palette review, so and a first impression, so please stay tuned to watch that. And I did come up with this look with that palette, but today's video is for my IPSY. So to get on with the bags, this is what the bags look like. This is for September and this is for October. I'm gonna do, of course, one bag at a time, so let's go ahead and get into September. September bag has the whole astrology with the stars, which I really love. I love those kind of things. And the zipper itself has this little like crystal with a little holder thing. It's so pretty. How beautiful is that? I love this bag. I love the color, I love the zipper, I love the design. Everything is just so cute. Of course it is gold, which I also like that little combination. I am in love with the zipper. This is so cute. So inside it says find your light. So September is all about new paths and possibilities. So whether it's going all out with a bold new lip shade or mask at home to recharge from within, take a moment to rediscover your guiding North Star. Where will it lead you? It's all about the stars, of course, as you can tell. That's what the little card looks like. And inside, I think it just shows all the products that I am getting and what they are. And inside is a blue color. Usually they have their IPSY pink, but this is the blue color, which I love that combination. I love the blue and pink combination. So this is like going really great with my look right now. So the first product I see is by Skin & Co. This is their Skin & Co. ROMA Truffle Therapy Shimmering Oil. You're supposed to apply 2 to 3 drops of this oil onto your palm of your hands and gently pat all over your face until thoroughly absorbed. So I guess it just kind of gives you like an illuminating look. So let's see how that works. So this is what the bottle looks like. It is so pretty. It has little flakes of gold in there, and it's like a little squeeze bottle with a little Doppler. It's an oil with some gold in it. So I put it on the back of my hand and I'm just going to rub that in. It smells delicious. I don't know how else to explain the smell, but it smells really good. So it does have a little bit of a shine, nothing too much. It does go on pretty well. So it's supposed to help your skin look radiant and moisturized, and I guess you can probably use it before bed or something, and it does keep your skin pretty moisturized, especially because it's an oil. So the next thing I have is this eyeshadow in Champagne Life by Colored RAINE. I love the colors and I love the little shine. That's what that looks like. It is like a really pretty champagne color. It is called Champagne Life, and I'm just going to test a little bit on my hand. Wow. I mean, I feel like I took a lot. It does have a very nice shine to it, a nice little sparkle. And you might even be able to use it as a highlighter. I like to use my champagne shadow color sometimes as highlighters, but this does seem a little intense though, so I don't know, but I like it. So next I have this SMASHBOX Studio Skin 24-Hour Wear Hydrating Foundation, and it is in the shade 3.18. It says that it lasts a full 24 hours, no touch-ups required. This is oil-free, matte finish, medium to full coverage foundation. It is formulated with hyaluronic acid and vitamin E to even out your skin without setting into pores or fine lines, which is an amazing claim. I haven't used their foundation before. I have used their primers before, which I love. So this is the color that they gave me. But yeah, that is the color. Looks like it might be a little too light for me. But if anything, I could use it as a concealer, see if it actually does stay in place and not budge, and I don't have to retouch it. Next, I have this OFRA Madison Miller lip gloss. This is their collaboration with Madison Miller, and it just looks like a nice peachy color. I just need to mix it up a little bit. It does have a bit of like a shine to it. So I'm going to swatch it right here. I feel like I'm putting everything on one hand. So I think it just gives your lips a nice like glossy shine. So the last item that I got is this brush. It is by F.A.R.A.H. I love F.A.R.A.H. brushes. I love when IPSY gives me brushes. You know how I feel about my brushes. I love them. But this brush looks so cool. Actually, all of F.A.R.A.H.'s brushes have looked really cool. So it does have this little area where you can hold it, and this is their contour brush. So that's what that looks like. It is like a blue going into a black, I believe. Oh wow. And even the handle is like a grayish, blackish handle. So yeah, I really like that. So this is a contour brush, so I can use it for my contouring, and I love when I get brushes from them. It definitely adds to my collection. I feel like IPSY just needs to keep sending me brushes because I love it. So that's everything in my September bag. So in conclusion, I love my September bag. I love this little crystal thing. I love the stars. I love all the items that they gave me. Definitely usable. I think my favorite item is the brush. It's always the brush. So now let's go ahead and get into October and see what I got for October. So this is October. It is Betty Boop. She's so cute, and I love the bag. Of course, as you can see, this is the iconic Betty Boop face, and this is the back is very nice and shiny and pretty with some sequins, and the button has a little bee with hearts. How cute is that? Oh my gosh, that is adorable. So IPSY is doing really well with their bags. Like, they're very creative. So cute. I'm happy with it. For this month, it's called Flaunt It. Let's start obsessing over what we love about ourselves. It's time to show off what makes you feel beautiful. Those lips, that skin, and who better than the iconic beauty muse and confidence queen Betty Boop to inspire you to flaunt it unapologetically. It's wonderful to celebrate everyone's individuality and see that they are beautiful and they don't have to look like everyone else to look beautiful. They're beautiful for who they are. And I think I said beautiful like 10 times. But yeah, I love that message. I did get two things outside of the bag, and those are these two sheet masks. I love when I get sheet masks. They're the best. They're very good for relaxing, for hydrating your skin, and just overall taking care of your skin. So they're from Essence Herb, and this one is called Canola Honey Mask, and it's supposed to help nourish your skin and I think just basically to hydrate your dry skin. And this is called the Tea Tree Mask, which is with pure tea tree, and it helps to de-stress your skin. So I can definitely use both of these. You guys know I love masks in general. I haven't done a mask video on my channel in a while, which I will do soon. I do miss doing those. But yeah, I do love a good mask, and I love to finish off like a DIY mask with a sheet mask because they're very relaxing. So of course, inside the bag, first thing I see is this CC cream by IT Cosmetics. I've actually been thinking about getting a CC cream. I haven't used a BB cream or a CC cream in a very, very long time, but I was thinking about getting it. I usually just do just cover up my under eyes and any other other spot treatment type of foundation here and there, but I basically just stick to my SPF. So I was thinking maybe I should get a CC cream or BB cream, but this could be it. It is in the color tan, and it does have SPF 50. So this is the color. It looks like it might be a little too light for me. So basically this is Your Skin But Better CC Plus Cream with SPF 50 in tan. Basically helps calm redness with collagen, hyaluronic acid, and vitamins. So it is very pigmented apparently. So I'm just gonna put a little bit on the back of my hand and just see. It's definitely light, but it is very pigmented like they said. But yeah, that's the color. I can probably use it under my eyes to cover up my darkness because it is pigmented. So the next thing I have here is actually a Betty Boop collaborated with IPSY item. So this is Be Cheeky powder blush in All Dolled Up. I already like the packaging itself, very Betty Boop with that iconic red. I love that it has like a heart on here, which is perfect for Betty Boop. Let's see what the color looks like. I don't know if you guys can really even tell this close up, but it is a very pinky, corally look. Oh. So it's a very so it does have like a bit of like a shine. I don't know if you guys didn't even tell on the camera. So there, I swatched it again. So it has like a shine for sure, but more of like a corally gold shine. I think it'll be really good for more of like a natural look if you're going for like a natural highlighted look. The next item I have is this Private Doctor Define Minus Serum. So this is actually one of the products that I was able to pick out. So IPSY sometimes lets you pick out an item for your next bag. I don't know if they do that all the time or I just miss it sometimes, but I was able to do it like 1 or 2 times before. So this is the item I picked out. This is basically for skincare. I do lean towards skincare items now because I do want to take care of my skin a little bit more. So this serum helps to define and firm the appearance of skin immediately and over time. This is formulated to minimize lines and create definition, and it does have some really great things in it, including turmeric root extract to protect and nourish the skin. So anything with turmeric is really great for your skin. So I really gravitated towards this item. I'm gonna try to use it and see how it works. It does say that it is a little tingly when you first apply it. Like I always say, apply a small size to your palms or any part of your skin, just a small area, just to see how it's going to react to your skin before you apply it all over your face. So I'm going to apply a little bit onto my hand just to see the consistency. So it does look like a gel consistency. I'm just going to rub it in here and see if I feel anything. But it just feels like a gel consistency. And I think it says that you're supposed to use it yeah, apply a pea-size amount to cleansed and toned skin, pat until completely absorbed, and follow with moisturizer. So and again it says it does get tingly, but that's normal. It doesn't feel like it's tingling on my hands, so it seems fine. Now let's go to the last item in my bag, which is this Space Case Cosmetics highlighter in Seen from Space. So this is the packaging, which I think is so cool. I believe I have gotten something from Space Case before, and I remember this packaging was really, really nice. I think it was like an eyeshadow, like a blue or green or something like that. But let's go ahead and see what it looks like. So this is a highlighter. So this is what it looks like, and it's called Seen from Space 1B. So that's the shine of it. And I'm just going to apply it right here. Ooh, that's nice. I didn't want to apply it over any creams or anything, but yeah. Oh, look at that blush though. So I got a lot of shiny things. I love when I get highlighters, you know, I get so many of them and I keep all of them and I love them. But yeah, so I am pretty happy with everything I got. That's it with my Betty Boop bag. I think the only thing that I would probably not use is the CC cream by IT Cosmetics because it's not my color. But like I said, I can probably try to use it as a concealer because it is light enough for that, and see how that goes, or even use it for my my lid, just to prep my lid for eyeshadow. But yeah, so that was everything. I'm actually very happy with my October and September IPSY. I think I got some really cool items. I actually like combining IPSYs together because I feel like I have more to talk about in a video, so maybe I might start doing that, getting 2 IPSYs together and then going through it like that. But I don't know, let me know if you guys even like my IPSY videos, or if that's like not one of my videos that you really favor. I am thinking about kind of going off of the IPSY videos and not really doing them, or combining, like maybe I'll do 5 months worth of it. Again, leave me a comment letting me know what you think about my IPSY videos, or what product you like the most. And also, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click that little bell icon so you get notified every time I upload. And thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys so much. Bye!